Hey, 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 it's Cats. Today I'm wearing all the flowers. Well, most of flowers. I'm doing flowers and butterflies today. Not just one, but several. I'm declaring today Flower Day. I don't know if it is or not, but every day is Flower Day in my world. So I thought I'd be a little festive today. Yeah. Let me show you. Oh, here's my personalized tumbler with flower motif. Um, it has a wooden lid, and the straw comes with it. It's like a heavy duty plastic, but the tumbler itself is glass. You don't hear that? Mm. So let's see. So out with the boring cups. Go ahead and get one with your name on it, so everybody knows. Don't touch it. Don't touch. Don't touch it. Oops, man. All right, here's another flower. There's another color. And there's several colors, so whatever you fancy, you can get it. So there you have it. And I can let you know I got all my flowers from Amazon. This one came with like butterflies and flowers. So I'm like, okay, 2 for 1. I like that. I have another pack that has more red burgundies and pink. This was one of the yellows and greens. There's a pink one in here too. But you know how excited I was? I was like, cool. I'm gonna have both, the best of both worlds. So there you have it. See you in a minute. Bye.